Very fresh matters Monday could.
Fresh matter. It's a fresh matter.
All for Monday. Monday ಬೇಡವಾ? Fresh matter. Fresh matter. ಹಂಗಾರೆ wait. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Respondent, wait.
Without
Give all the memos.
my lord 20. 14th date
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ನೋಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಹಾ ಬರ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್ ಏನ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ? ಹಾ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡ್ಯಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಮಂಡ್ಯಾಗ. ಅಮೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಇಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಇತ್ತ ಮುಂಚೆ? ಇಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಈ ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡ್ಯಾಗ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. No, true. You file a fresh petition, it will come on Monday. That's better always. Charge sheet challenge madak. Am I not hearing him? Wait. ಬರಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷ ಆ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಎಸ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಎಸ್. Wait. Yes, Nisha madam, what is it? Today is only 2-hour bench, madam. I have a bench in the afternoon at 12:30. So I will post the date given matters of today to tomorrow. No issues. Give it. Yes. By mistake, correctly you are moving the memo in the other court only. Parola. Extension of parola. Extension ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆರೋಲ್ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ? ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಕಾರಂತಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಸರಿ ವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಟು ಹಾಕಿ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೆ. ಆ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಮೆಮೋ ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ, ಅದು ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Wait. Yes. No, not tomorrow, madam. On Tuesday, all extension of parole on Tuesday. On Tuesday, extension of parole matters will be listed. Yes, next. 21? Give it, madam. Pending matters, please give. I have only 2 hours. Adralli 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. Give all the memos. On your submission, I'm going to vacate stay now. It has to be listed then tomorrow. Why? Why means it should be listed tomorrow? Who is creating third party interest? You are for the respondent. Respondent number 2. You move the matter here. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾಕೆ? No. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Will you leave outside? Then what? Or 7 matters are fresh matters. If you don't know to behave in the registry, I will not take any memo here. You can't go and yell at people in the registry. They are also working. It will be listed, sir. And I can't take beyond 300, 400. I'm a human being. All of your matters should be listed and I can't take it. So you can't go and yell at people there in the registry. You should always know your restraint. Your advocates, you go and encourage restraint there and it will be listed. ಏನಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. No, my lord. What happened? What concerned person? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Fresh matter ಇದ್ರೆ if you have complied with the office objections, it will come. I take 400 matters on Monday. That's not enough? That's not enough? ಮತ್ತೆ? ಹಾ. ಕೊಡಿ. ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes. That will see third party rights. Don't tell everything that your clients tell you to the court. Project something that is correct. Give it. Not tomorrow. It will come on Tuesday. Give it. Yes. ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆಲ್ ಆನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ.
My lord,
ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್
My lord.
ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ at 12:30. ವೇರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ?
my lord,
ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನು? ನಾವು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ಹಾ ಹಾ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ Monday. All fresh matters on Monday. Please don't wait for the mention. Give it.
my
All
lord,
fresh matters on Monday.
pending ಇದೆ.
Allowing me to work. ಹಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 482 ಯಾಕೆ? ರಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. 482 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. Look into it. Settlement tomorrow. Give it. Yes. ಆಯ್ತು Monday ಕೊಡಿ. Give it. Yes. Which year? It will come on Thursday, madam. Next Thursday. According to the dates, they'll come maximum of 100. Yes. I cannot take 200 matters every day, madam. Please. Yes. If you understand, then you have to keep quiet.
My lords.
Yes, ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ದು? ನೀವು ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ. ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಏನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, why are you letting the party make a mention? Fresh matter pending. Stay ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. When advocate is there, you are not supposed to speak. Go back. Please stay back. Give it. What is that? Stay ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇವ್ರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟಿಗ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಅದನ್ನ ಲಿಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ರೆ. ಸರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕೊಡಿ 2022 ಕೊಡಿ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಕೊಡಿ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್. ನೋ, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡೋಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ.
Order was deferred. PC Act.
Give the memos.
That's
Please give, sir.
interim.
I have
order
only
was-
2 hours and you're going on still with the memos. Please give all the memos.
Interim order was deferred in a PC Act matter by lordships after service ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. Any date, my lord.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
21 March.
Withdraw, I'll give it. Yes, tomorrow.
My lord, one submission, my lord, respond number 2 is the bank. I am for respond number 2.
So what, sir?
My lord, vacating stay, I have filed on vacating. stay
Tuesday
application,
ಹಾಕಿ
my
madam, vacating stay application,
lord.
sir.
My lord, two connected matters, my lord. I am-
My lord, 23 matter, my lord.
It will come, sir. Give it. Yes.
My lord.
Interim order ಇಲ್ವಾ?
My lord is there, but it was supposed to be listed.
Interim order ಇರೋ ಕೇಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, sir. I have directed the office not to list any interim order ಇರೋ cases. So don't move at all.
My lord's cognizant.
You enjoy the stay and you want a disposal now and the others don't have a stay even. Those matters are getting listed repeatedly every day. Where there is an interim orders already there. When it comes in the course, we will take it. Yes.
My lord's cognizance under Legal Metrology Act is
Fresh or pending, sir?
fresh, my lord. It was
Monday,
supposed
yes,
to
give
be,
it.
it was
Monday.
supposed to be listed today, my lord. We moved the memo.
You don't want on Monday? Please go ahead. Yes.
One criminal petition, my lord. The
Fresh
under
or pending?
pending under the JJ Act, they have filed FIR and the charge sheet under
All
the
right.
repealed
ಯಾವ
act.
ವರ್ಷದ sir?
Repealed enact.
Stay ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Stay ಇಲ್ಲ. Stay ಇದೆ.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Stay ಇದೆ.
ಬಿಡಿ. Yes.
Urgency is there, my lord.
Stay ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು urgency ಇದೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
ಏನಿದೆ urgency?
They have running the ashrama.
ಈಗ stay ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ?
Stay ಇದೆ, but police are still
ಇದ್ರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಾ?
harassed
ಅದನ್ನ
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
My lords, offend.
My
Yes,
lords.
call the cases.
My lords.
No, no,
My-
enough, enough. Give
My
it,
lord.
give it.
My lords.
Give all the memos.
My lords. Madam.
Give all the memos.
Madam.
Tomorrow ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಏರ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇನೆ ಬರೋದು ನಾಳೆ.
ನಮ್ದು ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ಸೊ.
ಕೊಡಿ ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Petitioner in this case, but I've directed to sir, please, my lords, on the solicitor general. my lords,
Ah,
I've
yes,
done
sir.
as such.
Please.
Passport, my lords, books are over, fresh passport I have applied. Police are not clearing my case, please, my lords.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೇನ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
Charge sheet ಇದೆ.
ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ something now, my lords.
ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡಿಟಿ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್.
Validity passport.
ಅದು ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಂದೆ. Go approach the concerned court wherever the matter is pending, show this judgment, they will direct grant of a short validity passport, SVP.
Lords, my application will ತಾವು observe ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ I'll place it before. the
ಇದು
magistrate.
petition ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
Petition is on the.
The learned
civil-
counsel for the petitioner submits that the passport of the petitioner has expired, and due to the pendency of the proceedings in CC 10119 of 2021, the passport is not being renewed. In the light of the pendency of the criminal case against the petitioner, no fault can be found with the passport authorities denying grant of a regular validity passport. But that would not mean the petitioner would not be entitled to a short validity passport. This court in identical circumstances has held as follows. I have given my anxious in the ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೆ. Therefore, the petitioner, it is for the petitioner to approach the concerned court by filing necessary application for redressal of his present grievance. Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ?
Interim order.
Notwithstanding interim order subsisting in the case at hand, the concerned court shall consider the same and pass necessary orders in accordance with law.
So very great.
Yes. Next. ಏನಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
Memo.
That will come. Yes.
The interim order I can-
Interim order, madam, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ interim order continued. List the matter in usual course. Yes. Yes, sir. 399 402.
Yes,
ಹಾ.
he was in the police custody with respect to the
Then
crime.
ಎನ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, in
ಹೌದು.
which crime he was in police
Yeah, I'm
custody?
producing the memo
ಕೊಡಿ.
along with that crime number. Crime number 156, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ charge sheet ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸೀಸಿನ ಆಗಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ಯಾವತ್ತಿಂದ ಯಾವತ್ತವರೆಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ yesterday ಇಂದ you are not able to answer. You say on the date of the at the time of the incident you were in custody in another case. ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್?
ಅದೇ with
ಯಾವ
this-
ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಿ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ? See, it happens at 2:35 AM on 20th July 2021.
ಹೌದು.
ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇದ್ರಿ?
So with respect to that case number, crime number 156,
156 of 21. When were you taken into custody?
that in the midnight 2:30 AM, my lords.
Crime number?
156, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ, so I have been arrested.
ಹಾ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ಅರೆ, this is also at the same time, sir. See, 499 and 399 402 require all of them to be present. It is for for preparation of dacoity.
Yes.
ಹೌದಾ?
Yeah.
Your contention is you are not present at that point in time because you were arrested in another case.
ಹೌದು.
I want in which case, at what time, because this happens at 2:35 AM.
ಹೌದು.
Not that the event has happened, it is preparation for dacoity.
ಹೌದು.
So for preparation, you are not there ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರಿ?
So for which I have stated that in crime number 156, initially they have arrested in crime number 156.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಎಷ್ಟು, when, at what time were you arrested?
ಅದೇ ಮಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes.
His claim is that page 11, my lord, his claim is page 11. Is that ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿವಸನೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗಿನ ಜಾವ ನಾನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ CCTV ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. That's the defense he can take before the
Footage
trial.
discloses apprehension of the petitioner 2:40 AM
That is,
on 27.
ಹೌದು.
that is what his claim is. The case came to be registered on 21st.
ಹಾ.
That is the case, my lord, he'll have to take the defense and produce that evidence in the trial. So the charges have been framed in this case.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charges.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. This is a matter of trial. Can I say that you are You were in this police station at this time and that police station at this time.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ, so when the alleged incident has happened, I was in the custody, my lords.
That is a matter of trials.
There is CCTV records ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, so I've produced the photographs also.
That would be a matter of trial. ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್
ಹಾ,
27, 21, 227.
ಹಾ, ಅವ್ರು ಗನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ಗೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. So next day,
25 ಹೇಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ he was preparing for dacoity somewhere.
ಹಾ,
So that is, he has produced the photograph.
ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ, will send him. But if he is at 227 in your custody, 235 you said, between 235 and 240, he was preparing for dacoity.
That's correct, my lord. The only issue is that the CCTV image photographs and the dates in the CCTV image.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. It's
Correct,
here.
that depends on what they've fed. Many times the CCTV photographs are not actually represent the
So true,
accurate-
but in whose custody is the CCTV?
his custody.
Why?
Because he says that it's from his house.
ಇದು ಮನೆದ ಇದು
ಹೌದು.
CCTV?
ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು.
ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವ್ರದ?
ಹೌದು.
It's not that it was in our custody and we maintained these records.
233. And what happened to this crime? 156.
That he is arrested in connection with this case. He is not, he only says that he is not an accused in that case, criminal 150.
No, no. 156 ಅಲ್ಲಿ you arrested him and took him.
No, that is what his claim, but record doesn't reflect.
Look into the records and see. If he is not there, then how do you haul him for preparation of dacoity?
Like his entire claim is that.
Even though
because this
when the sister of the petitioner went to the police station to give a missing complaint, ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕೋರ್ಮಂಗ್ಲ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ 2 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ. Even they did not take a complaint also.
Habitual.
ಇಲ್ಲ habitual ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Hmm.
With relation to this 156 crime number ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಆ ಮರ್ಡರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, so they are ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ,
All this would become a matter of trials.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು,
480-12 ನಾನು
ಹೌದು, I agree.
not correct.
Since I was in a police custody, they have fixed
No,
this
even
case.
then, see, he says CCTV is not in the custody of the police, so it's a debatable issue. And I can't straight away look into the CCTV and say you are not there at all. 480-12 ಕಷ್ಟ.
I'd let them records ತರ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. You get that 156th? ಯಾವಾಗ, when was he taken into custody, at all taken into custody? The learned additional SPP is directed to secure the records, as the contention of the petitioner is that at the time when he is alleged of the present offense, between 2:35 AM to 2:40 AM of 20th July 2021, he was taken to custody at 2:27 AM itself in connection with crime number 156 of 2021. The learned additional SPP to secure the records and
ಕೋರ್ಮಂಗ್ಲ.
secure the records and make submissions next Wednesday. Yes, memo copy ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
SC number ಇದೆ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Adರಲ್ಲಿ the crime number which they mentioned, my lord, is not 180. Crime number is 71, and the incidents are not at the same, they're two different incidents, and the date of the incidents are two different. Charge sheets have been filed in both the cases.
Both
My
the
lord,
cases.
for serial number 3, my lord, petitioner.
Sir, if charge sheet is filed in both the cases, what do you want?
My lord, I pray for time. I am not in
Ah.
station today.
List
Kindly
after- list after 2 weeks at the request of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
my lord, kindly on 11 July, my lord.
Next. Tipper lorry release. ಕೊಡಿ.
But in fact, my revision petition was also filed before the learned session judge.
Bank guarantee.
Very custom.
Disposed. ಅದೊಂದೇ ಪ್ರೇಯರ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಇದೆಯಾ? Disposed. Day after tomorrow, Monday you take the copy.
Bank guarantee, but surety.
Bank guarantee. ಕೊಡಿ.
Indemnity demand and
I
surety.
will not direct bank guarantee, sir, don't worry. Yes. That will be more onerous than the relief itself. Yes.
I have submitted that he is ready to pay the amount. The amount is involved is 9,300 rupees. And respondent 2 is
Yeah.
not present.
No, the issue is that one complaint is 9,000, but this complaint allegation says that multiple people have been cheated.
Anyway, let the complainant, notice ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Notice ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. One additional SPP, two emergent notice. ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Notice ಆಗಿದೆ. Notice also
ವಿಜಯ್
served.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. R2 has served in the cause list ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Yes, next Thursday. Next. Split charge. Split ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು.
The petitioner is before this court calling in question the proceeding in CC 240 of 2017 registered for offences punishable under section 84, 86 and 87 of the Karnataka Forest Act. The heard sounds. Facts in brief germane are as follows. Your accused number?
One minute.
A crime comes to be registered in crime number 117 of 1991 for offences punishable under section 84, 86 and 87 of the Forest Act. After conduct of investigation, a charge sheet is laid against all the accused in CC 790 of 2015 to 15. The concerned court tries all other accused except the petitioner accused number 1, as he was not available for trial at that relevant point in time. And the concerned court on 16/3/2017 splits the charge against the petitioner in CC 240 of 2017 and registers a split charge sheet. By an order dated 1/6/2023, the concerned court in CC 790 of 2015 acquits the other accused. Accused number 2 ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಅದು absconding ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, still date.
Acquits accused number 3 and no order is passed against accused number 2 as he remained absconding. Since the petitioner was traced, a split charge sheet that was laid against him in CC 240 of 2017 is sought to be proceeded now. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the crime is of the year 1992, na?
92.
Crime is of the year 1992 and the order of acquittal qua accused number 3 comes about after 30 years in the year on 1/6/2023. The reasons so rendered by the concerned court to acquit accused number 3 becomes squarely applicable to the case of the petitioner as well. In the light of the acquittal of accused number 3 and all accused number 1 to 3 alleged of identical offences, it is identical offences, the identical offences permitting further proceedings against this petitioner on the split charge sheet would become a waste of judicial time. There, as eventually the petitioner also would get acquitted as accused number 3 is acquitted. Therefore, so and so, madam, view of mine.
Public.
For the petitioner.
Which vehicle?
Well, it's Swift car, my lords.
Oh, Swift car.
There are no rival.
ಏನು?
There
I
are
take
no-
rest. ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
It's okay, it's okay.
ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes. Next matter.
Bail order.
439 ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
Read my lord, the relevant para is para number, my lord. Page 9, para 14,
There is no sexual assault allegations.
page 9, para 14. Admittedly, there is no assault allegation against accused number 2. It is only allegations against him is that he has abetted the accused number 1 to commit the offense.
ಈಗ you are back in custody?
My lord, yes, my lord, I was arrested in Ganga, crime number 1225.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Bail order is granted on 18/6. Lord, I have not furnished a surety because if I get released, I will be arrested in this case.
In this
Therefore,
case.
I am waiting for the outcome.
Yes. Yes, sir.
The claim, my lord.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Para 15, my lord, the same order, same page. The reason why trial court has granted bail, my lord, page 9 alene.
Statement of the victim has not been produced by our further.
produced in 3 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ everything has cropped up.
No, 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 it is not, what happened, transpired in this case, my lord, is that there may be a case of the financial connection between the family of the victim and these people. But what is important, my lord, that the recovery of a mobile phone from the possession of the accused
No, no.
has the,
Wait, yeah, sir, wait.
has the videographs of the entire act. And victim is a minor. So therefore, he cannot take a claim.
No, he has videographed the entire act.
The photographs and videographs of
You
the
have done it.
No, my lord.
accused number
Is-
one.
This, that.
No,
video
accused
is
number
nothing
one
to-
has done
accused
the
number
act
two
and
at all.
videographed also.
Yes.
No, no, that video is nothing to do with accused number two.
No, you are accused number two, I know.
Please, my lord, I have nothing to do with any of these, my lord, offenses of under 4 or 5 of the POCSO Act or 1376. Only this, my lord, allegation is I'm traveling with him.
So his claim, my lord, was that seems to be some relationship between accused number one and the victim. So subsequently, due to whatever reason, that relationship was not going forward, and then she has
No,
given
no,
one
but the complaint is registered after 3 years.
correct.
ಅದು correct ಅಲ್ವಾ?
The 164 speaks about multiple occasions sexual intercourse. Speaks about 20.
That is accused number one.
Yes, madam. The issue is that because she gave 164 statement and she did not support the accused number one, and subsequently this
Accused number one is also released on bail.
is not released on bail, but the fact that she supported the prosecution case in 164 statement, and these people have now harassing the family of the victim.
ಇವರ
He is
ಅದೇ
also-
ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Yes, yes, he is one of the, that is the reason why case has been, it is not that initially, my lord, yesterday when I heard the argument, I thought that maybe because he is released on bail, therefore they want to put him back and file a case. It is not that case, my lord, that it is because she supported the case of the prosecution 164. They want to prevent her from, they place at 164 statement, my lord, which given by her.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು.
May I make, my lord, one submission, prima facie. 3 complaints filed at 3 different districts.
That I have seen. Yesterday I have heard
That,
you.
my lord, Raichur, one is at Dharwad, one is at
There are-
Davangere.
Yesterday I have heard you on that.
Mobile phone was recovered and the extraction report is also there, my lord. No, I'm not saying that he is committed, but he is
No, no,
obviously
he has
along with
not
him.
committed. His role is restricted to taking the victim
Yes,
and leaving her in a resort or whatever,
multiple times.
multiple times,
Multiple
not once. That is true. That is why section 17 is against him. ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
Dharwad High Court, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು order?
Line number, yesterday I furnished,
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ?
I will only read the 2 paras. Lord, circuit bench clearly, my lord, observed that there is a delay of 3 years in filing complaint. And apart from that, the High Court observed that in present case, there is no, there is an inordinate delay of lodging complaint, and also one more similar case filed against the petitioner prior to this complaint. However, there is no whisper regarding this offense in the said complaint. Very same family members
We'll see.
files 3 different complaints at 3 different districts, and all the, my lord, cases, there is not delay of 3 years.
Yes. Heard reserved. Monday will pronounce.
Please.
Next. 9 and 10 notice 143A.
Yes, my lord. We have already effected notice on
ಇಲ್ಲ
the,
ಇದೆ.
I've been entrusted with the file yesterday.
I registry to print the name of so and so is appearing for the respondent.
My lord, this is to be tagged along with 2 others. There was an order of the
number.
previous 4, my lord, 4A.
Right. And ಅದೇ ಕೊಡಿ. Tag this petition along with so and so. When do you want, sir? Respondent.
About 15.5 crores, not altogether, 5 matters.
143A.
Totally, my lord, but it's due from 2020. We've been waiting for quite some.
We'll see. Yes.
I request your lordship to have it up 2 weeks, week after next.
All right. Yes. Tag these petitions and list them all on 19th.
Please,
19th, please.
obliged.
For the petitioner in this case.
Hmm.
The complaint is by the, my lordship, the present commissioner of the municipality against the earlier commissioner. My lordship, the layout was approved by the Gram Panchayat. Sites were formed. Khatas were issued by the Gram Panchayat, your lordship. My lordship, the property merges with the municipality. Now the allegation is that, my lordship, there is no approval from the planning authority. So the layout is already in existence.
One additional SPP. 2 emergent notice. ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ನೀವೇ ತಗೊಂತೀರ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕಮಿಷನರ್.
Commissioner S. Mahesh is standing counsel.
Yes, my learned counsel S. Mahesh is directed to accept notice for the second respondent petitioner to serve set of papers upon the aforesaid counsel. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was earlier working as commissioner. The commissioner who succeeds the petitioner has succeeds, huh?
We make
Who
one
succeeds,
submission,
huh?
one submission. Case, what transpired is that the records have been forged. And
That is the
insert-
allegation.
No, they have inserted the names of the person. They have not produced any document to show that they have applied for conversion of land. And land
ಅದನ್ನ-
produced.
That's what, wait. So, the allegation, sorry, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ madam? The commissioner who succeeds the petitioner is, has registered the crime on the score of several irregularities by the earlier commissioner. It is the case of the petitioner that the layout has already come up for it having been approved by the Gram Panchayat. And now the crime is sought to be projected against the petitioner. For all this, the hearing of the commissioner would become necessary along with the records. Therefore, the commissioner, therefore, the second respondent counsel representing the commissioner shall secure all the records that led to registration of the crime and place it before the court. List the matter on 12th.
Interim order.
12th, ಬರ್ಲಿ. ನೆನ್ನೆದಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? Day before yesterday.
Please.
Next.
Paper petition.
No, next.
13.
12th crime register ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
13, my lord, 13.
13th, ಇನ್ನೂ worst. Yes.
Serial number 13.
Serial number 13. 13.
ಹೌದು. Your lordship, please kindly see.
Crime register ಆಗಿದೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು?
Crime register.
Serial number 13, date 12th.
Yes, my lord.
10 days ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
My lord, the petitioner is the senior counsel, my lord.
Senior counsel?
Yes, my lord.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ?
He was representing, my lord, on behalf of the accused number 1.
How senior counsel? Age ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
Fayaz Pasha
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಅಂತಿದೆ.
he's a counsel, he's a lawyer, my lord.
All right.
He was representing, my lord, on behalf of the accused number 1.
All right.
This complaint, my lord, was fixed in, my lord, this petitioner, my lord, in dowry case also, under section 498.
All
My
right.
lord, in section, this honorable court granted stay, my lord, in criminal petition 5351 of,
Now, who is the complainant?
complainant is the husband of, wife of the accused number 1.
Yes.
420 abstract ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. The petitioner claims to be a practicing advocate. He is a counsel who represented accused number 1. The complainant is the wife of accused number 1.
My lord, sorry, my lord, I have not stayed IA number 1, my lord.
Stay ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, application ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
Application-
Stay ಕೊಡೋಂಥದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ. Wife of accused number 1, alleging alleging several irregularities in the conduct of the case against the petitioner, a crime comes to be registered. Therefore, the learned additional SPP, to secure the investigation papers and place it before the court, list the matter on 12th. Till such time, no coercive, bail ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. He's a lawyer, my lord.
You can't convert this to a bail court, sir. I've been telling you.
Your lordship, please kindly
It's not
see.
correct. Till such time, no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner. Yes.
And also, my lord, case
This
is-
order will come into effect only after compliance with the office objections. Yes. Next. ಇದು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು?
Lord, this was earlier, my lord, accused number 4 has filed a complaint, my lord.
ಅದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Accused number 2 has filed, ಅದು stay ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್.
That is also, my lord, in the nature of a civil dispute, my lord.
Your accused number?
Lord, in 1,
Heard the learned, ನೆನ್ನೆ ಓದಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I had to adjourn it today. Heard the learned senior counsel Arun Sham appearing for the petitioner. The learned senior counsel, what is called in question is proceedings in PCR 34 of 2024, in which the petitioner is accused number 1. A breach of a crop sharing agreement.
in that, my lord, already interim order is there.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
PCR.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು?
This is a 6069.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ madam. Yes.
Complaint has been filed by a journalist. There's no way connected.
You are accused number 1, right?
1, yes.
Yes. A complaint comes to be registered by the second respondent who claims to be a journalist on breach of certain crop sharing agreement, which is the subject matter of the companion petition. how the second respondent would become aggrieved, though there is no concept of locus in criminal law. But in the case at hand, the complainant being a journalist and the agreement between the petitioner and the complainant in the companion petition, giving rise to the crime so registered and filing of a charge sheet even is what surprises the court. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of all proceedings against the petitioner accused number 1 in CC 374 of 2024 for so and so. ಅದೇ ಇದೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ವೀಸಾದೇನು?
Visa is supposed to appear before the day after tomorrow, my lord. Therefore, that shall not, this proceeding shall not come in the way of
Yes.
obtaining
Learned
visa or traveling.
Yeah, whose son is it?
Not petitioners.
The petitioner's son has applied for grant.
Petitioner number 3 in the connected matter.
The the present petitioner's son, who is the son of, who is the petitioner number 3 in the connected matter, is said to have filed an application for grant of visa to pursue his studies.
Studies.
To pursue his studies. The visa application shall be processed, by the concerned authorities, notwithstanding the fact of the pendency of the subject petition, as an interim order is operating in the
Interim
case
order may
at
be
hand.
extended in that matter also.
Interim order subsisting in the companion petition shall stand extended till the next date of hearing. Great case. Sawmill,
Notice.
one additional SPP, 2 emergent notice, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ.
Pleading application.
The complaint plot, the registered, on the basis of
Yes,
the permission.
Material as stored in this sawmill. ಅದೇ
ಎಲ್ಲ-
sawmill,
What material?
the woods, the trees
Nine.
which are cut,
Wooden logs of, ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಜರ್.
ಏನ್ logs?
the rose tree,
Cut without permission.
that they have not produced any material.
My lord,
Those articles were already
Pleading
seized by separate master on 4/5/2024. Now again on 9/4/9/5/2024, they conducted one more master by seizing the entire sawmill.
there are
We
three-
have purchasing.
Where
some-
is the seizure Panchnama?
That is at page number, Lord, the first master at page number 22, typed copy. That is on 29th plot prior to FIR.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು?
ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸೌದೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 15 pieces of the wooden logs.
ಆಮೇಲೆ next ಇದು?
Then Lord, they, after seizure, Lord, they sought permission. That is again the non-cognizable offense, they are classified, the forest officers are classified as
ಅದೇನದು?
non-cognizable.
Yes.
Then Lord, thereafter, fourth Lord, one more measure was conducted, wherein Lord, the 9 articles were seized.
ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ reference ಇದೆ.
Madam ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ.
Separate master.
My lord, it's done.
On that day, Lord, they seized the 9 wooden logs, Lord.
What logs they are? Rosewood?
That ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಡು ಜಾತಿಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. And ಸೌದೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು reference ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, comment.
And thereafter, on 9th, one more measure by seizing my sawmill.
My lord.
That is,
Lord,
I produced
pleading-
Wait, sir. Yes.
9th, fourth measure.
Fourth Mazar.
Please.
Why 4 Mazar?
That's the mother, my lord, they make it in his sawmill.
Fourth measure, date he is saying, not fourth measure. 4/5/2026.
4/5/2020.
Please.
And 9/5 also.
And 9/5, they
So
seized
if
my
you have
sawmill.
stored all logs that are not supposed to be, then we will not permit the sawmill to continue.
Lord, fourth, they seized 9 articles, Lord, 9
Yes.
wooden logs.
Additional SPP, you should steer clear these problems.
And there is no power for seizure of sawmill. The Section
Problem is
62
that-
says
You
that.
seize the logs, how can you lock the sawmill? Log.
Right. The only issue is he is converting the material which was cut, then using that sawmill as a means to.
ನಿಮ್ದೇನ್ sir ಹೇಳಿ?
Lord, the pleading application.
You're a
my lord.
complainant,
Based on my complaint, my lord, this.
If he is the complainant, make him a party.
He is not the complainant, the police, their
Lords may
complaint was
kindly-
registered
Where
on-
is, ಕೊಡಿ ನಿಮ್ದು
Pleading
application ಕೊಡಿ.
page number 9, my lord, annexure R1.
29/4/24.
Yes, my lord. I have given the complaint.
You are Ravi Changappa,
Yes, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ದಂಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು.
Claims to be the president of
Based on my complaint, my
Kaveri-
lord,
Ah.
crime and as well as the forest offense has been registered. And thereafter, they seized certain materials, my lord, my complaint is
They're
that, my
making a
lord,
party, sir.
my lord, there are about
Lord, the
68
the
trees has been,
original complainant
felled
is
and
has
cut,
made
my
as a
lord.
party.
It's all right.
And
It is
four-
his complaint that has led to the original complainant registering the crime.
Please.
My lord, there are about 4 rosewood trees, my lord, that has not been seized. I have 2 grievances, my lord. I am having grievances not only against the petitioner herein. They cut the 68 trees and all the logs has been transported to the sawmills and all. And my another grievance is also against the forest officer, DFO, Mr. Bhaskar. They have not taken any proper action as per the Forest Act, and they have not seized 4 rosewood trees, my lord. They just, for the IVAS, they
You come on record.
stored as
Yes.
it is a
Make him a party.
jungle tree.
The council K.S. Bhimaya has filed an impleading application on the score that it is his complaint that has led to registration of the present proceedings against the petitioner. It is his submission that the petitioner and the assistant forest officer
No,
are.
DFO,
Huh?
DFO,
Deputy another.
deputy.
Deputy forest officer are hand in glove, and therefore, no proceedings worth the name are taken against the petitioner. The learned counsel, the impleading application for the reasons indicated, so and so application is allowed. The petitioner is directed to amend the cost title and amend the
Permission
cost
to-
title.
Sawmill has been.
Sawmill list tomorrow. Yes. We'll hear him also
Lord, I have no objection. Let him argue, my lord.
tomorrow. ಇವಾಗ 12:30 ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೆಂಚ್ ನಾಳೆ. Yes.
Permitted.
Every day ಎಷ್ಟು earning ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ?
Lord, more than 15 workers are working. I have purchased so many the wooden logs.
Tomorrow
Lord,
we'll pass
that
a
is
detailed.
lying on the outside.
Tomorrow in the fresh matters list.
I have produced the photographs.
Next.
I permitted to,
ಈಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes. Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent. Enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? Yes.
Petitioner, my lord.
ಯಾವುದು ಮೇಡಮ್?
17 serial number 17.
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
I appeal for the petitioner in this matter.
No. Next is yours. Wait. 16 ಅವ್ರದ್ದು.
My lord, 17 is mine.
17 is hers, madam.
Vidya Jagirpar.
ಅದು
Petitioner.
16 madam.
That is 16.
ಹಾ 16
Sorry.
ಹೇಳಿ.
My lords, the petitioner is the accused number 3 before the honorable lower court, my lords.
Hmm.
The.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನಾನ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್.
Lord,
Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent, registry to put up the matter immediately after the receipt of notice without a memo being moved before this court.
Machal.
Yes.
For the petitioner and.
What is his office objections raised in IA 23?
My lord, this IA was filed for early hearing, my lord, and it was all, but this IA is now in fact is in light of matter already being listed.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that that he would not press IA 1 of 2023. It is disposed as not pressed. 2022 will take it on Tuesday. List on Tuesday for admission. Yes, next. Enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
No interim.
Then
order,
on
my lord.
Tuesday. On Tuesday in the fresh matters list. Yes, next. Shashank, offense,
Petitioner, your lords. 498A, 506, 3 and 4 of the.
You are?
I'm for the respondent number 2.
Lordship, there is a joint settlement that they've come across with.
Kodi,
It
yes.
is the
With the
same.
permission of this honorable court.
Learned counsel
Attuge,
so
I'm
and so
filing.
undertakes to enter appearance for the respondent. Registry to print the name of so and so as appearing for the respondent. You, madam, pen drive ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 12 ಪೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಲೀವ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ. Take a pen drive. Yes. ಇದು NVG. 307 is there?
No, your lordship. 498A, 506 and 3 and 4 of the Dowry Prohibition Act. The petitioners are present, your honor.
It's all right.
Respondent number 2 is appearing through VC as she's a doctor.
Where is she?
Aisha.
VC, Aisha.
Aisha.
Yes.
Doctor.
Seal number 18?
Anyway, she's there?
She's present, your lordship.
Yes. 498A 506, madam. Yes. So, give the joint affidavit is too lengthy, give it in a pen drive. Yes.
Sure.
Awaiting police post entry order ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿವ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
23 504 506 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ posted for today.
Yes, government.
Accused at whose instance the alleged offense has been occurred is no more. My lord. A2 is dead.
Complainant is dead.
Abated.
Died how?
My lord.
Died
Dead by-
subsequently.
Yeah, no,
Natural
yeah,
death.
when the proceedings are pending. Abated already.
Abated ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು abate ಆಗಿದೆ.
Accused dead as abate ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
Complaint
offense abated.
complainant dies at abate ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Complaint in a criminal complaint, merely because complainant dies, nothing goes away.
Complainant ಅಲ್ಲ, accused number 2 is dead.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
Offense
2 is
against-
dead.
ಹೌದು.
2 ಮೇಲೆ abate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಕವ್ರು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಈ ಮಗ ಮಾತ್ರ accused number 1. 323 504 506 my lord. ಈ
The
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಇದೆ.
learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the accused number 2 is died and the proceedings are abated against accused number 2. Who remains is the petitioner accused number 1, son of the
Deceased.
accused number 2 deceased. The offenses punishable are the ones, the offenses alleged are the ones punishable under section
Non-cognizant.
323, 504 and 506. Permission ತಗೊಂಡಿದಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು
No permission at all.
Permission is taken, my lord. My
ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
lordship has directed to secure the own
ಕೊಡಿ.
certificate.
ಓನ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Simple ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, where is the permission?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು 150
Permission ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ that is a ground.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ತಾಳಿ.
The own certificate, my lordship has directed.
Permission ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
That I have to ascertain, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ascertain.
The own
Page
The
number
learned
20.
counsel appearing for learned HCGP submits that he has to verify the records as to whether permission was sought under section 155(2) to register the FIR, though the matter is now pending as CC 643 of 2021. Till such time, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square the petitioner list the matter on 23rd.
23rd.
Yes.
20?
Post immediately after
One
service of
submission,
notice.
one submission. In submission,
Interim order ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಏನ್ offense?
377, 376 and.
377.
ಹಾಕಿದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು. Outrightly.
And you want an interim order?
It is not attracted.
Not attracted. Why?
It's promise of marriage and consensual.
Promise of marriage ಬೇರೆ. 377.
Definition of 377 is different. And
Even consensual acts will not
Allegations-
absolve 377. sir.
whatever allegations they have made, it comes under the 376 only, as per this. Kindly refer page number
How
47.
many years?
Has been 4 years. I am accused number 2, your lordship.
Accused number 2. Why, what is the allegation against you?
Only 506 is there, sir. Kindly refer page number 47.
My lord, in this Karnataka Protection of Right to Freedom of Religion Act has also been invoked.
ಅದ್ಯಾಕೆ?
This matter was heard. ಅದು
It was
conversion
clarified.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. This matter was
allegation-
heard and notice was issued on the last occasion.
Page number 47 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, sir. So, very clear.
Early, yes. Post immediately after
Sir,
service of
ಅಲ್ಲ,
notice upon the.
Only
no,
506 as per the charge
No.
sheet itself.
List the matter on immediately after the service of notice upon the complainant. ನಾನೇ interim order ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ 506 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ charge sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
We'll see. Yes.
Notice ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
21?
In this matter, 306, my lord. See, my
Post
lord,
immediately after service of
incident is
notice
happened
upon the
as
second
not death
respondent.
certificate, my
ಇದು
lord.
ನಾನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಗ್ಲಿ.
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಫರ್ನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ my lord posted for reporting settlement.
306, let it come on Tuesday. 2024 ಅಲ್ವಾ, Thursday. Complainant ಯಾರು?
Complainant is mother, my lord. Incident
Go and
is
serve.
taken steps here.
Then it's post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent. Next.
22?
For the petitioner.
Through WhatsApp.
For
Number there.
respondent number 2.
Learned
Today
counsel
morning I have
so
filed wakalat.
enters appearance for the second
Today I have
respondent.
received, my lord.
Registry to
I'll
print
file
the
the-
name of so and so is appearing for the respondent. ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು?
2 weeks. Charge
sheet ಎಲ್ಲ
ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
matter
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ವಿಟ್ನೆಸಸ್
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
entry model. 420 and 384, my lord. Originally, my lord, there is some transactions between the.
My lord, I will file objection, my lord.
ಫೈಲ್ ಸರ್.
I will file
Next
objection.
date, next week ಅಲ್ಲಿ sir.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಾ?
First time, my lord.
3 times ಬಂತು,
ಹಾ,
but notice ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿದಾರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Monday I have received, my lord.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
next week ಅಲ್ಲಿ
18th.
ಅಲ್ಲ 13th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ.
ಇರ್ಲಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ
ಸೊ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ?
ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಮತ್ತೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ
ನೋಡ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇಬ್ರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್
ಚಾರ್ಜ್
18th.
ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ 13th ಇದೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಫ್ರೇಮಿಂಗ್.
ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ವಾರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 18th. Yes.
23.
Respondent number 2, your lord.
Madam.
Pakistan flag portrayed to a Muslim by the petitioner.
Your lordship, if I may make a submission, your lordship. Senior having a personal inconvenience, she's not able
Who's
to.
senior?
PV Nidhishri, she's arguing in the matter.
Compliance of office objections.
Yes, my lords, we had filed the objections on the 24th of this month, 3 days ago. In the meantime, we'll comply.
Question,
and
entry
rectify
model
the
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
officer.
Not a precipitate ಅಂತಿದೆ.
Not to
Not to-
precipitate ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, my lords, that may kindly be.
Let that continue, my lord, then I'll also have to file my objection. This is a person, my lord, who has an habit of publication, broadcasting series of fake news.
Fake news.
It's largely
Fake news.
My lords.
series of fake news, not only this. This is the case, my lord, where he project entire Muslim of this country as a Pakistani national.
Lords,
by
that was a
putting
kind
it as a
of
Pakistani
oversight,
national
my
flag. on-
lords, that this thing was rectified where a public apology was being carried out on the total social media platforms of the channel. That also I've just placed it up before the record.
Can I say?
That is in page 22. This message was there on the social media platform almost for 24 hours. Within an hours, this thing, when the mistake was identified by oversight, that was rectified.
No, the petitioner thinks.
ಏನಾಗೋಯ್ತು ಇದರಿಂದ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, one issue, my lord.
505(2).
The petitioner thinks by seeking apology in the public, I don't know what kind of apology he did it, think that he can solve all the problems. But the issue is reputation which lost for a person by virtue of publication. He forgets that. It
Who
is not that he's
who is
done
the
the first time.
complainant? Who is the complainant?
There's one individual by name Mr. Tanveer Ahmed.
You
who
spoke about him, is it?
No, he
it
spoke
is-
about entire
it's
Muslim
about the
community.
community, my lords, only the community, may I just submit that? The program, that alleged impute program talks about the demographic conditions in India on a comparative population with regarding the Hindu population, the Muslim population. Instead of representing the Muslim population by the Muslim symbol, by oversight, it has been represented by the Pakistani flag. And later on, sir, let me submit, sir. Later on,
this
by
Page annexure C, page 22.
22. Later on, that thing within an hour's time, when this thing, and it was being said that it is done only due to the oversight of the graphics team of the particular channel. And now the graphic designer, he has also been questioned. He has also called in for the interrogation. And now it's merely kind of an oversight, my lords.
No,
So the intention as prescribed under 505, the ingredients of section 505(2) is not met with this word, my respectful submission.
Yes, Jagdish, sir.
Hello. If my learned friend finish, my lord, I'll make that. I
He
don't
is
want to
finished.
interfere.
Tell me.
The issue, my lord, the oversight, if it shows for Hindus in this country as the Indian national flag, and for Muslims, it shows as a Pakistani national flag. And you cannot say by oversight he did it. He is not some layman to say that, by oversight he did something which caused issues to the public at large. As if, my lord, that there's a lot of nuisance which is caused by these speeches.
That's both ways, sir.
Both ways. I'm not saying, my lord, it's not, but ultimately, my lord, these are the people who are responsible. Media is today's media is responsible for entire this extra.
You can't just like that brush media aside. Many light if media is not there at all. Then everything, the powers that be would have concealed everything if media was not there.
Let him show, my lord,
No, in this case, we will see what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it.
Yes, I'm
But
talking-
media, you can't brush it.
No, I'm talking about
Sir,
this.
fourth estate is the most important estate today.
No, that is where the most misuse is also happening.
No, that, see, in everything misuse happens. That doesn't mean you dub the entire estate to be bad.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying.
Misuse may happen in many things.
No, I'm in contact with particularly this particular petitioner who is in habit of making this false statement against many people.
That we'll see. ಇದ್ಯಾವ judgment ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದು?
Please, my lords, on the, in 2019, a
Ah.
similar program was being made
Ah.
wherein FIR came to be squashed by this honorable court,
Ah.
by the coordinate bench of this honorable court.
Aye.
And the complainants therein, they had taken the matter all the way till the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has further affirmed the
No,
decision.
we'll file my objection,
You
my lord,
file
that
your-
your
both
lordship
of
has
you file your
protected.
objections.
Yes,
no
your lordship
problem.
has protected him not to take any coercive step. We will-
What investigation ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Investigation, we registered only recently, my lord. It's not that.
You file your objections, then we'll finish the case itself.
Let
Yes,
the-
my lord, we'll have it.
Let the order of protection may kindly be extended. my lord.
That will be extended.
Please,
What?
grateful.
Because
The
this
learned additional SPP and the learned counsel appearing for the complainant. You filed your objections?
Yes, my lord.
The learned additional SPP seeks time to file statement of objections. The counsel for the complainant has already filed a statement of objections and has and
lord-
seeks time on the score that the arguing counsel is unwell. The 2 weeks' time is granted to the additional SPP to file objections. The coercive, the protective order of not harassing the petitioner and taking coercive steps earlier granted in the coercive steps in the garb of investigation earlier granted shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Grateful, my lords.
Nine of KPID Act, my lords. I was not at all the director. I resigned.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent.
Correct.
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next.
No,
date.
my lord, there is no interim order. my lord.
No interim order, no interim order. Yes, that's KPID ಅದೇ
My
ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ
lords,
ಆಯ್ತು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಹಂಗೆ.
Kindly see the annexure C of.
No, no, let it come. KPID ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ. Same order,
26.
same order. Interim order ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Serial number 25, my lord.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes.
ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
My lord, the Sanabha court already,
Interim order ಇಲ್ವಾ?
no, my lord, actually, the Sanabha court already granted that to stay, my lord, to counter complaint as registered, my lord.
ಸರ್, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ
Next,
ಸರ್?
my lord, 3687 of
Tag this
2023.
petition along with criminal petition 3687 of 2023. The counsel for the petitioner submits that the issue is of case and counter case. And the crime registered by the complainants against the complainants has been stayed in the aforesaid case. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay in the case at hand as well. List them both on 24th. Yes. Next.
27.
Interim order is there, my lord. The date may
Immediately
be-
after service of notice, interim order.
Date may be fixed on
Continue.
18th, my lord.
No, sir.
18th,
Yes, next.
Petitioner. Those apologies, my lords, inadvertently notice was not issued to respondent number 2. I have paid process.
Notice not issued.
Illa, agilla. In fact, when
Interim order is-
HCGP was.
Yes, no problem. You
interim
paid
order.
process?
I've paid.
The learned
Interim order.
counsel for the petitioner submits needful has been done, office to verify. Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date.
I'm good.
Petition. Produce
Office
typed
objections
copy.
ಏನು madam?
My lords, page number 35 and 36, the typed copies have not been produced. And my lords, the objections in an application has not been produced. My lords, we'll secure those records and produce it before your lords.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Lords, 2 weeks' time may be granted.
2 weeks' time is granted to do the needful. Subject to doing the needful, within the next 2 weeks, the interim order stands extended.
Great.
Yes.
30.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent. Interim order ಉಂಟಾ? Continue. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ interim order is continue. Yes, madam.
Matter, my lords, last occasion, Naganand had appeared.
Ah.
Had said 4 volumes of statement of objections they had filed. They said they'll file additional document.
There is a change of wakalat, I believe, my learned friend has.
ಇವತ್ತು 3:30 ಹಾಕಿತ್ತು.
ಹೌದು, that matter was supposed to be.
12:30 ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆ
I'm
ಅಂತ
told, yes.
ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. the advocate on record.
Or two, my
Arjun
lord.
is not there?
No, my lord, I filed NOC Wakalat.
All right.
And I have been briefed for respond number 2.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, but I have no objection.
So today it's.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ.
It's an excellent, lord. We are a company, lords, with this lot of a criminal case. It's causing extreme, lords, difficulty for us in terms of a business is concerned. 3 documents, lords. We have borrowed money from them. We have repaid them. Because, lord, we could not fulfill the entire contractual obligation, lord, complaint is filed. This is all, lord, the matter relates to subject what, my lord.
All right. Entry matter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಲ್ಲ.
It's all, whatever date lords find it convenient.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ entry matter ಇದೆ?
Used.
The company is not made a party. is
Not made a party. But 3 tranches of loan, but we have repaid back half of that. The whole thing is not to why you are not repaid and then a complaint.
At this stage, I don't want to join issues with my learned friend.
No problem.
Whether it has been
The
repaid or
complaint
not.
averment say,
Learned, Allah, I'll hear it.
Yes.
We'll fix a date. We'll take it on Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday.
Too early, my lord, for me to get into this.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ sir?
No,
Do it like this, you'll know.
we commencing on the 8th, my lord, except 8th. Because
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ, we'll do it.
10th or.
List the matter on 10th at 3:30 PM.
Okay.
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the
Continue.
next date of.
Grateful.
only request, my lord, please. There is some, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ this actually.
have a
this
problem?
No, it's not shame. The criminal case, pendency of the criminal case.
No, 10th was
causing
decided.
lots.
Today I would have, but for the bench.
Sure.
Yes. I'll register to delete the name of Arjun Rao. What's the name?
Nitin Prasad name.
And print the name of Nitin Prasad as appearing for the second respondent.
Until further orders be not.
Yes, sir.
32.
No, IO is still until further orders, and there is some kind.
Until further orders.
Yes,
Until further orders. Don't extend it, please. Satyanarayan,
Please, my lord, I appear for the
you're not
lord,
well.
notice is awaited.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent. Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ some, insofar as 3 to 5 are concerned.
Yes, Mahesh.
This has not been issued to R2 in this matter.
Sorry?
The notice has not been issued to the respondent number 2. It was awaiting for the reports of the IO from the SPP. It's that Mutt matter, your lordship, where there was
Further investigation.
yes, sir.
No notice is issued to the second respondent. Therefore, the indication of non-payment of process be deleted. List the matter on Tuesday in the fresh matters list.
Grateful.
Yes, you have to comply with records.
Comply.
Yes, next.
The interim order may be
Interim
extended.
order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Great.
On IA 34.
ಇದ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಂತು?
Special order.
Special order, why?
The lordships have passed an order on 23/4/2020.
It's all right, go before the same.
Lord, the coordinate bench expressed indicated that there is some ambiguity in the
Huh?
operative portion of the order.
Clarification.
Lord, we have,
IA filed for what clarification?
Lord,
madam?
we have no
In the
clarification.
garb of who
No,
who
but-
filed IA for
Lord, we have
clarification?
filed, the coordinate bench indicated that there is some ambiguity. Only the operative portion of the order. Your lordships have
Ambiguity.
indicated that, my lord, keeping in, there was an order passed on 5/10/2023, wherein on the date of the auction, my lord, there was an interim order passed. Directing 5/10/2023, which is extracted by your lordship.
Madam, that is the first order that I passed. You said clarification in the latest order?
Latest order, my lord.
What clarification?
Latest order, the operative question, my lord, the last paragraph, my lord, in the light of the submission that the auction purchaser has deposited 25% of that amount, I further deem it appropriate to direct the petition to pay 25% that is paid by the auction purchaser, if any. My lord, that term, if any, is ambiguity, is what they are saying. Even they do not agree, my lord, that there is a-
You
if-
could have said if any Tagidrak, why clarification here?
My lord, if any is if they have paid. We are saying that if any came in.
Correct. So what if any is there? Where is the ambiguity here?
My lord, we are saying 25% is not deposited. The court is asking.
That
us
is
whether
why,
it
that is
complies.
why I said if any.
Please,
You
ma'am.
say it is not deposited, she says it is deposited.
Please, ma'am.
So if any deposited, you 25% you
Lord,
pay.
they have given us a chart denoting 5/10/2023. I have received.
Okay,
this
what
amount.
clarification you want?
My lord, my lord, if any is what the court wants a
We
clarification.
will delete
Albeit
that if any and send it back there only.
My lord, if any, then if that is deleted, then the 510 order may become diluted, my lord. 510 was a specific order that you will not proceed further with the auction.
Now, where is the latest judgment
My lord, which
where
is
we should
produced-
not interfere in
Please, ma'am.
surface equity?
My lord,
We will hold that and send it to
ಅಲ್ಲ,
DRT.
5.5 ಕೋಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು 5.5 ಕೋಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಅವ್ರು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ. They say 510 I have an order, my lord. Your lordships have granted me an order on 510.
Yes,
They
sir.
say I have deposited
Asked the
25%.
question, my lord, this honorable court said, if any money is paid, produce the details to my lord, the petitioner. We, in fact, my lord, immediately we shared that 25% of the money which auction purchases.
So purchase paid.
Paid.
Yeah,
The
so-
honorable court directed, my lord, 25% of the money you repaid.
Correct. What is ambiguous in
That
this
is the
order?
question which I
They
made.
say 510/2023, we have sought for details. When was that money received? Because 11 o'clock I had the order, my lord.
Madam, in these nitty-gritties, you are simply buying time. We will just vacate all the orders.
I respect to
This
submission, my lord.
this is playing with the court and nothing else. I will
My
observe that in
apologies,
this
my
case.
lord. We have shown our
Definitely.
bona fides.
Yes,
I
what
was
bona
hiding.
fides, madam?
I have deposited
What
5
bona
crores, my lord.
fides? I will answer everything now. Now
Well,
it has
5
come by
crores
special orders, I will
deposited.
answer everything. Yes, no bona fides here. ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ತಾವೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ 25% ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕೊಡಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ they're not giving me details.
ಈಗ 25% ಕೊಡದೇನೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ. ಇವ್ರು ಇರೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರು.
Who is this?
He is there from the day one before
Other
this one.
residential property.
From the day one
I am
before this one.
your lordships for the commercial property.
That's all right. ಈಗ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 25% ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
My lord, which I already, my lord, shared the details to them.
We are not satisfied with that?
510 is what they denote.
If it is required, I'll file
You are not satisfied with the 25% details?
My lord, it is not my satisfaction. I'm saying there's an order. You'll pass by your lordship.
Don't bother about it. 25% ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
My lord, according to us, they have not. It has been taken subsequent to the auction.
So, ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Subsequent to the stay, they might have paid.
ಈಗ 25% is there anyway.
It is there.
So pay it.
But subsequent to the stay.
Whatever, pay it.
Solation.
As if you are telling ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. 1 ವರ್ಷದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Now you want to say about 25%.
5 crores I've
Oh,
paid
no.
in 1 year.
Sitting in a glass house, don't throw stones at somebody else, madam. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Yes. Want me to answer? I will answer. You are dodging the issue from 5/10/2023. It's getting almost a year now. And there is no clarification in this. What clarification you filed? IA 4 of 20 or 2 of 24? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ.
No, madam. Well, that is not
What else, madam?
I'll walk off the.
Either I may permit it to my lord issue a sales certificate or my lord.
You issue the sale certificate, let them go before the DRT.
Yes.
It's not correct. Where was, if any clarification ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ madam ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ
ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
ಐಎ ಹಾಕಿದ್ ನೀವ ಅವರ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಹಾಕಿಂತ.
ಐಎ ಹಾಕಿನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? Where is the direction?
I cannot, if the court says, I will simply
Where is the
adjourn the
direction?
matter.
Where is the direction?
The order is that senior counsel will seek for clarification. That is what we will have to.
They submitted that senior counsel petition application seeking clarification. That order would be filed in 3 days from today.
We will have to seek.
Why did you seek clarification?
The court said I will simply adjourn the matter.
Yes, ಈಗ ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನು?
No, only 5 crore.
ಈ ಕೊಡಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು?
Pursuant to, my lord.
6.75 crores is what is to be
ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ
paid.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟು.
ಕೊಡಿ.
ನಾವು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ
25%
ಈ
ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಜೂರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ನನ್ಗೆ 2 ತಿಂಗಳು 4 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ತಾವ್
ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಗ?
ಒಂದೂವರೆ
2 weeks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
1.5 ಕೋಟಿ 2.5.
2 weeks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
Lord, I think the claim.
We'll ask the auction purchaser to walk out. You pay in 2 weeks, 1 point, whatever remaining. 5.3 ಕೋಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು remaining ಈಗ?
1.64, my lord, even according to them. Even according to them, 1.64.
1.64 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
My lord, 1 month finally, I will pay it off. Your lordship may kindly call it immediately after 1 month. If not paid, then the client will face the consequences.
This submission was made last time also.
My lord, your lordship's passed a detail order, my lord, directing them that whatever money, 10% solation will pay, you hand over the
Solation
possession.
also you will have to pay.
You hand over the possession. Once
ಈ
the
possession ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ
Just
possession.
my lord, payment of the 25% of money, they are not paid.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು 1.5
They're
ಕೋಟಿ
not
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ
paid.
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ.
My lord, kindly see the.
Now possession and whatever, 1 month time I will grant. If you are paying, fine. Otherwise, possession you will not hand over and you will go before the DRT.
Please.
Yes. There is no other clarification required.
According to me, my lord, no
Now
clarification.
this is by
required in this.
special order, I'll have to deal with it.
Please.
The petitioner heard the learned senior counsel Nalla Mayagoda appearing for the petitioner. The matter is back before this court in the garb of a clarification by way of special orders. The learned senior counsel would submit that this court had directed 25% of the amount paid by the auction purchaser to be shown to the petitioners. The learned counsel Vignesh Shetty submits that all the communication has been sent. The learned senior counsel submits that the amount is received perhaps after the stay order. Be that as it may, time has flown, 7 months have flown by orders being passed by this court intermittently, and the entire amount is not paid. What remains to be paid today is 1.64 crores. The
That is in only respect of my lord sale. I have to recall.
sale ಅಷ್ಟೇ, sale ಅಷ್ಟೇ. In respect of the sale of the property, if the petitioner would not fulfill the amount of 1.64 crores in the next 4 weeks, the petition would be rejected without showing any indulgence, any further indulgence in the matter. List this matter on 4 weeks, correct on date ಕೊಡಿ madam. Yes. 26th July.
Petitioner, my lord, appearing for the respondent number 2, my lord.
Petitioner.
And copy me. Lord, the offense punishable under section 323 and 506 and 500.
35.
Please.
Yes, sir.
Lord, the offense punishable under section 323, 506 and 504. Here for the respondent number 2, my lord. Copy me, sir.
Copy.
Served, my lord. Served, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner to serve set of papers upon the counsel appearing for the respondent.
My lord, already served, my lord.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ sir.
Lord, kindly stay, my lord, tomorrow.
List the matter next Tuesday ಹಾಕಿ.
My lord, tomorrow is hearing before charge, my lord.
ಮಾಡಿ. Entry ಮಾಡಿ 2 years ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲ. We'll have to dispose it only. Yes, next. Madam, entry ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅದು ಅಡ್ಜನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
I appear for the petitioner in this matter, my lords. Offenses, my lords, 406, 417, 420, 504, 506, my lord. They are seeking quashing of the charge sheet on the basis of a PCR filed by the second respondent. Dispute arises out of a sale agreement. In fact, they file a specific performance suit, my lords. Thereafter, they file a PCR. PCR is also not supported by affidavit.
Dates ಹೇಳಿ. Where is the PCR?
PCR order sheet is at page number 49, my lords. The PCR complaint is at page number 18. Agreement date is, my lords, alleged agreement date is 29/1/2000.
The petitioner is before this court calling in question proceedings in CC 977 of 2021 registered for offences punishable under section 406, 417, 420, 504 and 506 of the IPC. The petitioners are arrayed as accused 1 to 10. The second respondent heard so and so ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. The second respondent is the complainant. When date of the agreement?
Date of agreement is on 29/1/2015.
The complainant herself or complainant himself enters into an agreement?
Yes, my lords.
The complainant who is said to be the owner of certain property.
No. My lords, the petitioners are the owners, my lords. Complainant is the agreement holder.
He is the agreement holder.
Yes, ma'am.
The petitioners who own 5 acres of land in survey number 320 of Bagepalli, of Paragodu village, Kasaba Hobli, Bagepalli Taluk, enter into an agreement of sale, agreeing to sell the property to the complainant at a particular consideration. The agreement is dated 29/1/2015. You have sold it to someone else, Amale?
No, my lords, the case is still pending. Property is lying with us. Our contention is we have not executed the sale agreement.
So and so. Who has specific performance ಯಾರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
The respondent number 2 has filed specific performance.
The second respondent is said to have demanded several times to the petitioners to come forward and register the sale deed. And non-registering the sale deed, the complainant has sought to initiate two proceedings. One, instituting a suit in OS 39 of 2012. 2012 ಯಾಕೆ?
No, my lords, OS number 368 of 2020.
Where is that?
At page number 83, my lords, plain copy.
OS
368 of 2020.
20, page
83, my lords.
23.
83.
OS 368 of 2020 against these petitioners seeking a decree of specific performance for execution of the sale deed on the alleged agreement that are entered into between the parties. Simultaneously seeks to register a private complaint before the concerned court invoking section 200 of the CRPC. The learned magistrate refers the matter for investigation to the jurisdictional police under 156(3) of the CRPC, which then becomes a crime in crime number 78 of 2021 for several offenses. The police conduct an investigation and file a charge sheet for the aforequoted offenses. Filing of the charge sheet is what has driven the petitioner to this court in the subject petition. This court, in terms of its order dated 2/6/2022, stayed further proceedings in CC 977 of 2021 on the score that a seemingly civil dispute is sought to be rendered a color of crime. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner would take the issue forward by contending that the petitioners are owners of the property and have never executed a sale deed, never executed an agreement of sale in favor of the complainant. And the complainant has instituted suit for specific performance for the execution of the sale deed on the basis of the alleged agreement. He would submit that since the issue is purely civil in nature, which is sought to be rendered a color of crime by the impugned proceedings, permitting further proceedings would become contrary to law. The counsel for the second respondent has remained absent throughout.
My lord, appear for the second respondent. I'm sorry, I couldn't at the beginning.
Yes, sir.
I appear for the second respondent.
Last time you are not present, other last time you are not present.
My lord, I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
My submission is this complaint is much after the initiation of the civil suit. When the petitioner were trying to put up construction in the property, the respondent number 2 had gone there and he was abused and assaulted. That is how various sections under the penal code are also ordered in spite of section 30428. And they have disputed the agreement. He was driven to send the agreement to FSL for examination and handwriting opinion was obtained. And the suit itself went on for nearly 5 years.
No, suit is still pending.
Still pending. They are dragging on the suit on the one side. Here he was assaulted. And
that doesn't mean criminal law should be set into motion, sir.
My lord, in respect of assault and criminal intimidation with threat to life.
Charge sheet is not filed for assault at all.
Assault
417, 420, 504, 506.
504, 506.
A crime may have been registered for assault, but charge sheet is filed only for cheating.
Your Lordship mentioned my submissions, sir.
Yes, sir. Ashta, I'll note your submissions. The learned senior counsel Thomas Sebastian, representing the second respondent complainant, would vehemently refute the submission to contend that when the petitioner went to construct the property, put up construction in the property, he was assaulted. The complainant he was assaulted, and therefore the crime comes to be registered for several offenses of assault inter alia to cheating. He would submit that the charge sheet is filed by the police and therefore further proceedings must be permitted to continue. I have given my sounds. Therefore, narrated facts are not in dispute. The second respondent claims to have an agreement of sale in his hand, having been executed by these petitioners who claim to be the owners of 5 acres of land in the aforequoted survey number. The contention of the petitioners are that they have never entered into any agreement of sale, be that as it may. The claiming a decree of specific performance, the complainant has instituted a suit in OS
368 of 20.
OS 368 of 2020 on the very same cause of action of the petitioners not coming forward to coming forward to execute the sale deed. After registering the suit for specific performance comes the present complaint registered on 23/3/2021 for several offenses. The offenses initially laid against these petitioners are as follows, page 11. The police conduct investigation, and the product of the investigation is as found in column number 17, which reads as follows, page 36. None of the offenses of assault are even taken forward pursuant to the investigation. What is alleged against these petitioners are the offenses for criminal breach of trust, cheating, and intimidation, as is obtaining under section 406, 417, 420, and 504 of the IPC. Since the civil suit is pending on the same cause of action instituted by the very complainant, on the very same cause of action, the criminal law could not have been set into motion, permitting further proceedings in CC so-and-so in the teeth of the aforesaid facts would run foul of plethora of judgments rendered by the apex court on the issue. The quoting all of them would only bulk the said judgment, bulk the subject judgment, as it is by now too well settled a principle of law that a seemingly civil dispute which is rendered a color of crime should not be permitted to be continued, failing which it would become an abuse of the process of the law and result in miscarriage of justice. For the aforesaid reasons, allowed quashed. It is made clear the observations made so and so would not civil suiting. Yes, next.
Oblige.
P7.
Hearing for the petitioner in this matter, my lords, offences are that of 3, 4, and 8+2 of PML Act.
PFR respect kindly evident tomorrow. Today,
Tomorrow, why sir?
senior inconvenience today.
Madhukar. Offense ಏನು?
3, 4, and 8+5 of PML Act, my lords. The
PML ಏನು?
Yes.
List on Tuesday. Hello, Wednesday. Next.
Matter which had come up last week, doctrine of sameness, my lords. The husband would first go and get an FIR registered for certain offences under the IPC and the SC/ST. My lords, we approached this honorable court. An interim order of stay is given insofar as the SC/ST offences are concerned. 5 days from the date of interim order comes the present complaint given by the wife before another police station, making the same allegations. If my lords would kindly have the first FIR, my lord.
ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ.
I'm sorry.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ quashment, it came up for that. Doctrine
I
of
know.
sameness covered by.
Sitting is
the-
only up to 12:30. We'll
See,
take it next Wednesday.
It's covered by my lord's decision.
I know,
my lords.
Bairegowda.
Very-
Sir, covered.
No, I am told, no, there are 2 more matters, no, which are also pending with
We are
regard
not-
to the same case.
We're not concerned with that. We are concerned with the second FIR on the same facts.
And but now, Lord,
That
since
is-
charge sheet is filed, not they have to challenge. not
No, no,
take
no.
it.
Charge sheet is filed in the first case where we have been left out. It is in my favor.
Should we tag those petitions also?
ಬೇಡ my lords, ಇದನ್ನ doctrine of sameness ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. Tagging it again, that getting delayed, my lords, rather we'll see this. If the complaint is the same, how can they maintain a second FIR?
That time.
That's all, my lords. That's
But
all.
we'll
Let it
file
be
objections,
separate.
not and
My
argue
lords, let
about
it
that.
come up on Wednesday. We'll explain the 2 complaints. If it is seen to be the sameness, then it's liable to be
Yes,
quashed.
sir.
But we'll file objections.
Objections act.
Yes. ಒಂದು ಆರ್ ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ my lords.
Prasad.
ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರು 6 times is taken time for.
Yes. List on next Wednesday. Yes, interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Please.
Wednesday end date, madam. One ನಿಮಿಷ, let me see. ಏನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ matter? Fourth division. ಅದೇ fourth ಹಾಕಿ, fourth ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. Anyway, ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. We'll post it on 5th. Yes, sir.
That's already last chance was given for the appearance of respondent.
Respondent two.
Name ತೋರಿಸಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಮೀನುಲ್ಲಾ.
That's in the last date of hearing I mentioned about the my visa is denied because of the pendency of this case, my lord.
Yes, sir.
This petition, petition is involved in this offense, your lordships. Even in the statement given before the court by the PW1, he has been identified by the accused, your lordship. And even
What offense? Petition ಕೊಡಿ madam.
T23, T24.
Absolutely not even a single material against me, my lord.
Accused number
11, my lord.
A11.
Please, my lord.
ಇದು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ.
No, my lord.
My lord, in this matter, charges has been framed and 5 witnesses already been examined.
Please.
And moreover, on 15/7, summons have been issued.
Visa
to
is not
PW.
denied.
13-9.
Please, my lord. If visa is not
ವೀಸಾ
denied,
ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು?
that's UK. My
UK.
wife works at abroad, UK, my lords. Now she became 4 months old pregnant. Because of the pendency of this case, my lords, visa is denied. I'm producing the document, my lords.
ವೀಸಾ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, visa reject ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಅವ್ರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Again, 5th, list on 5th. Yes.
Oblige.
ಅವತ್ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ will pass orders.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oblige.
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing. 40.
498 A, my lords, FIR against the husband.
Against the husband.
Sole accused.
Yes.
The background is such, my lords, must kindly see the entire background commencing, my lords. The wife filing a domestic violence case against her own parents.
So
And
what?
in addition to that, my lords, there's
ಚಾರ್ಜ್
a
ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
FIR stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
FIR stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ only husband.
Only husband, my lords. Absolutely no allegation in the complaint.
So good complainant.
My lords, in the complaint as such, no allegation at all, my lords, given the fact that, in fact, as for the parents are concerned, no, absolutely
sir.
no.
You want to settle the issue?
Complaint, there is a very clear, the allegation they have made is very personal, my lord, even on the character and also it has.
Who
gone
has
to
made the
The
allegation?
husband. Saying I have illicit relation against the so-called.
Where is it?
Throat or dissolution of marriage, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ sir.
Ah. Where is the complaint in this, sir? Page 28?
28, next year B. So ಇದು para 23 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ sir, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ the petition of this petition ಮೇಲೆ. Page 16, your lordship.
Page 16.
Page 16.
Marriage is dissolved?
No, my lords. Petitions filed by both husband as well as wife.
Which para?
Paragraph, the respondent number 2 has been making efforts to get complete rights on property towards that she has been making all efforts by way of sending.
Which paragraph?
Para 23 of the petition. if I'm right, my lords.
Where is the complaint in this case?
Complaint at page
Page 28.
28, my lords.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ against the husband?
Please, lords. Background is such, my lords. In fact, it is the girl's parents when
The
they had gone.
custody of the child is handed over to mother-in-law. As directed second respondent to undergo psychiatric treatment. ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
The
On
court,
the father's application was to the DYSP and subsequently by the interference of the Honorable High Court in Kerala. The daughter was directed to be sent for psychiatric treatment, my lords.
the family
in
court has
addition to
observed
that-
the child in fact intends to stay with the mother only, my lord. So all baseless allegations have been made against this lady.
Where is the trial, sir?
Lords, page 110 may kindly be seen.
Face further proceedings.
Lords, page 110 may kindly be seen, lords. This is the way, but 2012 was the marriage, 2016 the child was born. Mother leaves the child along with her parents, my lords, and she goes to Dubai for work. While later, my lord, the parents of the girl, that's the respondent number 2, they take the child and go to Dubai. What they see in Dubai, my lords, page 110 may kindly be seen. So I don't intend to, my lords, in any way, in any manner, make such allegations as such, but this is what
110
it's page 110. About seventh or eighth line. Sometime in October 2019, the petitioner left for Dubai on receiving a placement there. But this is the wife's DV proceedings against her parents and me, my lords. So here she says, her husband continued to work in Bangalore and the 3-year-old minor child was left with me in Nileswar. In February 2020, when I visited petitioner in Dubai with my husband and grandchild, I realized that she was very close to one Srijit Venugopal, a native of Kozhikode. When asked, she said that he was helping her in her work as well as to pursue her passion for music. Since my daughter was a performer, the so-called Srijit Venugopal apparently was in touch with the petitioner for purpose of organizing music programs so and so.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lords, the proceedings may kindly be seen what the father initiates, my lords, against her. My lords, page number 280 to 242, my lords.
We'll hear the family problems later. Just 2 weeks bit on date. List on 18th July.
Please.
Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date.
Hearing for the respondent number 2 in this case, Your Lordship.
Already is there.
Huh?
Interim order, it is on.
19th ಹಾಕೋಣ.
12th, my lord.
18th, list on 18th. Interim order subsisting shall continue. ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇ ಹಾಕಿ interim order continue. ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಉಂಟಾ?
ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಉಂಟು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಏನು?
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಬೌನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಥೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಚೆಕ್ ಬೌನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೇರಸ್ ನಾನು 420 ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Already cross examination is maximum is over, Your Lordship, in the check case.
Check
In this
case
case, the
our
produce-
whole interim order ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Whole allegation is that I have lodged the FIR later after their registration of PCR in 138. In fact, my lord, I have
You are
given-
the complainant.
Yes, my lord. I am the complainant in check in theft case. my
theft
lord.
case.
Theft case.
Yes, my lord.
And
She
you
is
are the complainant there. Check.
Check case,
Oh,
check
check
case.
case.
It is already cross examination.
ಯಾವತ್ತು?
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 28/12/2020.
28/1/2020.
2, sorry.
Date of the check?
Date of a check is 21/12/2022.
21/12/2022.
Yes, my lord. My lord, they have issued a notice.
Complaint.
Yeah,
Theft complaint.
Theft complaint date is that, madam, my lord, 28/12/2022.
Our 138
Notice ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 3/1/23.
ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು?
ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 3/2/23.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್?
First 3/1/23.
3/1/23. By then you had already registered.
Yes, my lord. I have given a complaint that they have not registered the FIR, my lord. But I have given the complaint.
Where is the complaint?
My lord, I had filed the additional document on 18th June, my lord. In that, my lord, at page
ಈಗ
number 14.
That case is being pursued.
Yes, my lord.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
138
Theft
proceedings.
complaint.
Theft complaint, I have pursued, my lord. I have registered the complaint. Now the crime has been stopped, stayed by this.
ಇದು 420 ಇದೆ ಇದು?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Your Lordship, that the produce the.
138 ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ
No,
ನೀವು?
my lord. Because I am cross-examining the complaint, my lord. I have not.
Then let this go on.
Your Lordship, that the postal acknowledgement is a 28/12/22 is the complaint through postal. It is not visible, Your Lordship. The, before the commissioner, Your Lordship, there are a larger complaint is
List on
24th March 23.
list on Tuesday in the fresh matters list.
Publish.
Yes.
Interim.
Interim order shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Please.
43.
For the petitioner, my lordship, 43.1, my lordship. Offenses of 370, 3, 4, and 5 of the ITP Act, my lordship. As against 43.1, we have a stay subsisting, my lordship. We are covered by the judgment of my lordship.
Your accused number?
I am accused number 2, my lordship.
Covered ಯಾವಕ್ಕೆ?
Swami.
ಏನು? ITP.
ITP, Swami.
ಏನು covered? Customer.
Lordship's judgment says.
You're a customer.
No, my lordship,
Then?
I'm a receptionist.
Which judgment is
Number
it?
20. This is, my lordship. This is the Rajkumar judgment, my lordship.
Rajkumar.
Yes, Swami. Yet another judgment also, my lordship. My lordship.
This is ferrying others to different countries. This is purely 370, not ITP.
How this one?
MRC Manohar appear ಆಗಿರೋದು.
Yes, Swami, wherein exploitation is the soul of.
That's all right.
My lordship, there has been no explicit content either in the FIR.
Even this is This is, you are the receptionist there.
I'm the receptionist, my, I'm a 24-year-old woman who's working as a receptionist, my lordship. There
You
were
say-
5 women found at the premises. 4 of them were taken to the rescue home. I was arrested and remanded to custody, my lordship.
ಈಗ interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Nange interim order this one.
Both these judgments are not applicable. This is owner who has no knowledge.
That is right, my lordship.
And the other one is purely 370.
That is right, my lordship.
Yes,
Hearing for serial number 43, short accommodation.
that's evidence. Yes. The list on 24th. Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing. Yes, 44.
For the petitioner,
In 3.
here is held up in a parted matter before the Dharwad bench, my lord.
Dharwad bench.
Lordship to have it tomorrow, my lord.
What's the matter?
My lord, I am for the
498.
Allah, Black Magic Act, husband and wife.
Ah.
Lord, let me succinctly put it before your lordship, just in 2 or 3 sentences, the backdrop of the matter. I am the wife of the second respondent. My lord, not being able to withstand the torture to which I was subjected toward the hands of my husband and my mother-in-law. My lord, I was forced to or compelled to or thrown out of the house along with my 2 children, who were aged about 3.5 years and 1.5 years. I would come back to my parental home and I would take shelter there. But he would even make an attempt to remove the child at a point of time when I was making a living in the company of my parents. He would become unsuccessful. Then I would go before the family court at Bangalore and file a petition under the provisions of the JNWC and get an order in my favor directing that I should continue to have the custody of the children. Subsequent thereto, my lord, I would also go before the policeman and file a complaint complaining of an offence under section 498A and 3 and 4 of the Dowry Prohibition Act. My lord, there is one conciliation center. The policeman, prior to the registration of the crime, in view of the law laid down by the Supreme Court in Lalit Kumari's case, my lord, we were referred to that conciliation center. There it fails. Then immediately thereafter, my lord, the policeman would register a crime against them. And upon completion of investigation, they would even file a charge sheet and process has been ordered against them. During this period, my lord, the husband would go and file a private complaint against me, complaining of the commission of an offence under section 307, 506, and section 3 of the Karnataka Black Magic Act.
Oh, the black magic case.
Probably, my lord, I have not been able to lay my hands upon any judgment on this point. And probably I may have to request your lordship to lay down the law on the point, whether it attracts the provisions of
Black
section
Magic
3 of
Act.
the Black Magic Act, because there was inter se, my lord, messages between 2 persons. Does it constitute an offence under section 3? My lord, may I just request your lordship to kindly have a cursory look at the schedule?
Black Magic Act.
Black Magic Act.
It's here.
On the private complaint, reference under section 156(3), the policeman would register a crime on the strength of a certain message.
Even for Black Magic Act. That's
Section 3 of the Black Magic Act. Let us see, Madam. And 307, attempt to commit murder of his mother, complainant's mother.
by the wife.
By the wife. ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, you exchange the messages, therefore there is an attempt ಅಂತ. To do away with the life of my mother ಅಂತ. Kindly have a look at section 3. No person shall himself or through another person commit, promote, propagate, or practice, or cause to promote, propagate, or practice inhuman evil practice and black magic specified in the schedule. May I request your lordship to kindly go to schedule. My lord, gets it?
Yes.
Number 1, performing any inhuman, evil act and black magic in search of precious things, bounty, and hidden treasure for similar reasons in the name of such as Banamati, Mata Mantra, assaulting any person, parading naked, or put a ban on his daily activities, or instigate, advise, or encourage committing of such inhuman acts. Il Barala. Number 2, to create an impression by declaring that a power inapprehensible by senses has influenced one's body, or that a person has possessed such power thereby create fear in the minds of others, or to threaten others of evil consequences for not following the advice of such person, or deceive, defraud and deter him.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾವ್ದಲ್ಲೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 3 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡೋದು. 307 ಅಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, you exchanged some messages. You asked me, that is a petitioner, to do away with the life of your mother by adopting some black magic activities.
Yes, sir. You
Probably.
12:30 ವರೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೆಂಚ್.
My lord, probably, my request to your lordship is, I have not been able to lay my hands upon any.
No, I will render.
Yes, probably, we may invite your lordships.
You need it, but tomorrow also is feasible.
Tomorrow.
Please.
Tomorrow.
Lest.
For further hearing.
Yes, heard the learned senior counsel C.V. Nagesh representing the respondent, awaiting the submission of the counsel for the petitioner. List the matter tomorrow at ಯಾವ್ದು madam? ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 4 PM.
Please.
Five.
For the petitioner, there is case and counter case.
45.
Yes, my lord. That will be
On-
tagged along. my lord.
Kodi,
Petition.
tag this petition along with so and so. List them both on 26th, 25th July.
At the convenience of the. court.
Interim orders, Ilya.
Yes,
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
please, please.
46. Same,
My lord, the senior is not feeling well.
25th, yes. Next,
47.
Petitioner. Petitioner.
same day. 25th, interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing. Any urgency?
My lords, I had filed cancellation of bail application before the trial court
Why?
because the petitioner was threatening the complainant, de facto complainant after the matter was stayed.
No, my lord, the crime is
But later I
registered
learned
based.
that
No, no,
the
the-
matter has already been stayed by its honorable.
My lord, the facts of the case is the crime is registered based on the, there is a execution petition pending before the Mayal court for recovery of money.
List on 18th.
Please, please.
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
8.
Same 18th.
49.
My lord, appearing for respondent two, any short date will do.
Arising out of a civil dispute, my lord, civil dispute is.
59 ಇದು?
49.
49. 25th, interim order subsisting
Some
shall
urgency,
continue
my
till the next date of hearing.
I request some urgency, my lord, in
Okay.
shorter date.
ಯಾಕೆ
Because only thing is, my lord, they are all doctors, my lord, passports are not getting renewed because of the.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ
pending-
ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವೀಗ?
No, they want to travel abroad, my lord, which
ಆ-
only one.
ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Expire ಆಗಿದೆ, 1 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ತತ್ಕಾಲ್ ರಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
ಆಯ್ತು
last
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ
April
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಮಾಡು 25th, yes.
Shorter date, my lord.
25th, yes. Next, interim order ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ 25th.
For the petition is this matter, my lords.
This is 18th, no interim order.
Interim order is not there. It's not-
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
The
18th.
matter is
That's
supposed
my
to be
lordship.
second. It's a 138 proceedings, my lords.
138, ಹಂಗಾರೆ second, yes.
It
My lords,
first-
permit me to make just one submission, not more
First.
than one submission.
First.
My lords, before the trial court, evidence is concluded.
No,
I have been cross-examined. I was the complainant, my lords, I have been cross-examined. Defense evidence is led.
I Tuesday in the fresh matters list, 2nd July.
You may 13182 this on connected
2nd
matter.
July, yes.
13182 of 23, my lords.
ಅದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Yes,
ಅದು ಇದೆಯಾ?
13182.
Tag the petition along with so and so.
Yes.
131,
13182 of 2023.
so, yes.
Exchange of judgment, my lords, he is now before
We'll
you.
see.
Very well.
We'll close it on Tuesday, yes.
Don't make false statements. Where is it? It's for judgment.
Don't get agitated. Forward.
You make a.
No, no, I'll
He's a
put
boy.
proceeding sheet before your lord.
He's a next
ಏನು
boy.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಈಗ?
There's the proceeding sheet.
Grateful, grateful.
No problem, yes. Nishit. 51, Srihari. 25th, interim order grant earlier, stands extended till the next date of hearing.
One is covered by judgment.
Covered, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
The Essential Commodities Act ಮೇಲೆ.
Company is not made a party?
Companies not.
Section 10 covered. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
The connected matter is already.
ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 10 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 20 ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು?
Last date ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಫೈಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್, yes, next.
Obliged.
53.
25th. Madam, in 53 interim order illa, then post it on 9th.
53.
9th or 11th. Yes, next. Bench. Madam, 11th ಮತ್ತೆ 7 ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 11th bench ಇದೆ. Guarantee. We'll see. Yes, yes, sir.
53.
53. We'll take it on 9th. 9th or 10th. Yes.
On the complaint in 138 proceedings, my lords, only challenging the order of rejecting my application under 311.
Tuesday, fresh matters list, we'll close it and send it, yes.
Trial court advocate ಸರ್ಮ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ. Let them serve the copy to the trial court advocate.
ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? 54, yes.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ previous.
ಗೌರವ್. 54 ಲಿ represent ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ?
They are present.
Yes, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Interim order will continue, yes. Sachin,
Second respondent. Charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So
charge sheet, challenge ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ charge sheet?
At the time of investigation,
ಮಾಡಿ. Liberty to challenge the charge sheet, yes, next.
I withdraw the petition.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Yes, next. Same format. Atraj D, 26th, interim order ಇಲ್ಲ madam. 10th ಹಾಕಿ.
Appear for the petitioner in this case, my lord. 57.
57.
Yes, my lord.
ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ 10th ಹಾಕಿ.
No, my lord, only one submission, my lord. There is no notice order to R3, my lord. Notice 3, R3 is important.
Then ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. Emergent notice to the third respondent, returnable by the 25th of July. Yes, next. Yes, Abhinay. Interim order ಇದೆ.
Respondent number 2. We filed a statement of objections and IA for vacating.
IA for vacating.
Vacating the interim order.
Then
My lords,
list on Tuesday in the, under the caption, hearing on interlocutory application.
date.
Yes, interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
59.
Petitioners, Your Honor.
List on 10th,
60.
same day.
61.
Appearing for petition.
Sidaramayya, 10th,
Other Lokayukta police has filed charge sheet against private persons. It does not.
100%.
ಹೌದು.
IPC offenses are there.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
By impersonation making himself as a tahsildar.
My lord, the Tahsildar has
Had
been
a
dropped
conversation
in the
with the
charge sheet.
complainant, and he himself propagated him as a tahsildar and received the money and.
And he is not a public servant, my lord, as defined under the.
But how did you enter this scene?
Not initially, he pretends to be a tahsildar.
That's all right. That makes him a public servant?
But the complaint was filed, the complainant has filed a complaint, initially FIR is registered against the original tahsildar with the Mohan. And subsequently on the investigation, we came to know that Mohan is not the original Mohan, was the tahsildar, someone who acted as
It's all right, you have to satisfy that, how would you get jurisdiction against a private person?
Not the IPC offense we filed, not the.
IPC PC Act ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ he is not a public servant. How will Lokayukta get jurisdiction? Private persons ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
But initially FIR was registered.
Even
with the
conviction
PCI.
has been set aside.
Private persons Lokayukta ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes,
You'll have to Lokayukta Act ಬಿಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ.
My lord, even case reported in 2014, volume 2, KLJ.
Charge sheet is
68.
filed, not the voice
And
record.
even conviction has been set aside, holding that law.
It's only,
Lokayukta has no
you
jurisdiction.
have no jurisdiction over that. Let me see. List on Wednesday in the fresh matters list. Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅವತ್ತು ನೋಡುವ. Yes. Next.
62.
ಇದು ಅದೇನಾ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್.
ಇದು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 10th.
63.
188A, my lords. No, sister-in-law, some of them are government employees.
There
is no allegation against the present petitioner, my lords.
Appear for second respondent.
I
have filed the wakalat yesterday, my lord.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, kindly I will take you to the.
List tomorrow in the fresh matters.
ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸುಮಿನ, papers ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, except
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ,
police
List
notice.
tomorrow in the fresh matters.
ಈಗಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Yes. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. Just because the wife wants everybody into the web of crime, no. If there are allegations, we'll permit definitely. Yes.
I will establish.
Depend is not before your lords.
That's all right. That's something, don't worry.
64.
Yes.
I appear for the petitioner in this case. Let's may have it in next week, my lords. Senior counsel is held up in the court.
Arun Sham.
Please.
ಏನಿದೆ?
Lord,
153
offense
ಏನಾ?
153A.
ಈ ಒನ್
Stay
ಫಿಫ್ಟಿ
ಇದೆ,
ತ್ರೀ
there is already
ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು 153 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಿನ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. List on 18th at 2:30 PM. You give all the list of 153 cases.
Says my lord.
Yes. ಏನಿದು?
Matter is pertaining to NDPS, my lord.
Revenue intelligence.
Company has not made a party, my lord.
Entry model ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
Entry model.
10th, yes. List on 10th.
Taken in fresh matter.
List on 10th preliminary hearing ಇದೆ. Yes.
Appearing for the petition.
Same day.
Transfer of investigation, your lordship.
ಅವತ್ತೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 12:30 ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆ
ಆಯ್ತು
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 10th
ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸರ್.
10th
ಮಚ್ಚು
ಹೇಳ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಎಸ್, ಇದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 3 weeks ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್.
Inquiry is conducted. It says I have not committed the offense. That is
Even
number-
then,
Even then there is a FIR. And my lord, state police, there is a FIR for Prevention of Corruption Act, 2 alternative grounds.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ ಬರಲಿ. ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Entry model.
6970 ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ 2 weeks. 70 ನೀವಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
In 70, you are not supposed to grant an interim order
ಹಾ.
in respect of 2 of the, not the petitioners, and directed remaining accused will not approach the trial court and seek anticipatory bail. Anticipatory bail is kept pending since almost 1 month.
How can bail
I
applications be
really
kept
not,
pending like this?
have been requesting the London will not judge, not to pass an order. Not every time he would adjourn will not matter.
498 ಏನ?
498.
307 also.
307 against the husband.
Against the husband and.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿ 307. Yes,
There are allegations.
18th.
Please.
Based on 18th.
Interim order not is there.
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
But can I request
Patil
not,
sir,
some
interim
relief
order
in the-
extend ಆಗಿದೆ.
Can I request some relief in respect of the mother, my lord, she is aged.
Mother ಮೇಲೆ allegation ಇದೆಯಾ?
There are allegations, my lord, against them.
Why she took out this sword, is
There,
it?
my lord, since, my lord, there are photographs, my lord, to show that how they were
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ.
assaulted.
Time ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Please.
So we'll have it, ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು? 18th, yes. ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ದು 18th. Yes, next.
14 settlement 71.
ಇದಾರೆ ಯಾರು? ಹಾ. ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 2:30ಗೆ. 12, ನಾಳೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ. Yes. I'm sitting only up to 12:30. I have a division bench from 12:30.
72.
This case, I've been trying to contact the other side. He's
No,
not
he
picking up
is,
the
he has
call.
undergone surgery ante. That's what he was
Okay.
told.
Okay.
Trivikram has undergone surgery. We'll take it after 2 weeks.
Please, till then I interim order.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಕ?
ಅದ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ let his colleague at least be present.
498A, all the
Right.
family members.
List on Tuesday in the fresh matters list. ಅವತ್ ನೋಡುವ. Yes, madam. Till number? And delivery. Why?
Even the logo date is tomorrow as well as the visa.
It will be uploaded. Don't worry. It will be uploaded by afternoon.
Serial number 7 was passed over. It is a cover.
Pass over ಆಗಿದೆ ಯಾಕೆ?
I had rushed to the court and I was
Yes,
waiting.
yes. You
Sorry,
are gasping
my
for
lords.
breath. Give me, yes.
My lords, it is a covered by judgment. It is a simple application for a vehicle release, my lords. My vehicle is, there are no
Come in.
rival.
Tejas.
Please, my lord, the vehicle Delhi registration is there. Some condition may be imposed. my
Delhi
lord.
registration.
Delhi
Ah,
registration.
Petitioner is also from Delhi and.
What
the
were
vehicle
you,
also.
what were you carrying?
I am not carrying anything, my lords. My vehicle was stolen and some people have used it for a crime.
Tomorrow in the fresh matters.
Please.
We'll dispose it tomorrow. ಈಗ
Much-
time ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
much
Yes. What vehicle is that?
Swift car, my lords.
Okay, madam.
Serial number 69 date ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ? Serial number 69.